Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to study Chapter 7 Functions MCQ questions. Let us begin with question number 1. What is the process of dividing a computer program into separate independent blocks of code known as? Option A, function programming, B, modular programming, C, structured programming, D, object-oriented programming. Here, option B, modular programming is the right answer. Question 2. What is the purpose of functions in programming? Option A, to make the code longer. B, to reduce readability. C, to achieve modularity and reusability. D, to increase complexity. Here, option C, to achieve modularity and reusability is the right answer. Question number 3. Which of the following statements is true about functions? Option A, functions can be called only once. B, functions cannot have parameters. C, functions can be called repeatedly. D, function must always return a value. Here, option C, functions can be called repeatedly is the right answer. Question number 4. What is the syntax to define a function in Python? Option A, def function underscore name. B, function underscore name round opening and closing braces colon. C, def function underscore name opening and closing round braces and colon. Option D, function underscore name. Here, option C, def function name round braces and colon is the right answer. Question number 5. What does the return statement do in a function? Option A, ends the function execution and optionally passes back an expression to the caller. B, outputs a value to the console. C, starts the function execution. D, defines a new function. Here, option A, ends the function execution and optionally passes back an expression to the caller is the right answer. Question number 6. What is the term for a value passed to a function during the function call? Option A, parameter. B, argument. C, return value. D, variable. Here, option B, argument is the right answer. Question number 7. What is a user-defined function? Option A function provided by Python standard library. B, a function defined by the programmer. C, a function that cannot be reused. D, a function without parameters. Here, option B, a function defined by the programmer is called user-defined function. Question number 8. In the function definition, def add a comma b colon. What are a and b? Option A, arguments. B, return values. C, parameters. D, variables. Whenever you define any variable in a function definition, they are called parameters. Hence, option C, parameters is the right answer. Question number 9. Which keyword is used to create a function in Python? Option A, func. B, define. C, function. D, def. Here, option D, def is the right answer. Question number 10. What is the output of the following code? Python code, def greet. Def is a keyword which is used to define a function. Greet is the name of the function, and inside the bracket they have written name, that is parameter name. Return hello, which is string plus name, plus is concatenation operator. So print greet. So we are calling this particular user defined function by passing the argument name, that is alias. Here it is going to add or concatenate alias with hello. So it is going to print hello comma alias. Here options are A, hello. B, hello comma greet. C, hello comma alias. D, greet alias. Here option C, hello alias is the right answer. Question 11. How do you call a function named my function in Python? Option A, call my underscore function. B, my underscore function. C, def my function. D, execute my underscore function. Here, option B, my function is the right answer. Question number 12. What will be the output of the following code? Python code, def add a comma b, return a plus b, result is equal to add 3 comma 5, print result. So whenever we write or whenever we call a function, always execution starts from a function call 3 comma 5. Both of these two are arguments. A and b are the parameters which are defined in a function definition. So it is going to return addition of these two numbers which will be stored in result. Here 3 plus 5 will be 8. 8 will be stored in result and we are printing the same over here. Hence option A, 8 will be the result. Question number 13. What is an advantage of using functions in a program? Option A, decreases readability. B, increases code length. C, increases reusability. D, makes debugging difficult. Option C, increases reusability is the right answer. Question number 14. What is the output of the following code? Python code, def multiply a comma b. Def is a keyword which is used to define a function. Multiply is the name of the function. A comma b, both of these two are parameters and it is returning a into b. Here we are making a function call within the print statement by passing 2 and 4 as argument to the function. So it is going to multiply 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8 will be the output. Here option D is the right answer. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a function? Option A, it can be reused. B, it must return a value. C, it can take arguments. D, it helps in modularity. Here, option B, it must return a value is the right answer. Question number 16. What is the main advantage of breaking a program into smaller functions? Option A, to make the program slower. B, to increase the code repetition. C, to make the program more organized and manageable. D, to make the code more complex. Here option C, to make the program more organized and manageable is the right answer. Question number 17. What is the keyword used to return a value from a function in Python? Option A, send. B, yield. C, return. D, give. Here option C, return is the right answer. Question number 18. What is the output of the following code? Python code, def subtract a comma b. Here def is a keyword which is used to define the user defined function. Subtract is a valid function name. A comma b, both of these two are parameters. Return a minus b, and we are calling this function within the print statement and passing two arguments 10 and 3. So 10 is substituted in place of a and 3 is substituted in place of b. Here 10 minus 3, it will become 7. Here option A, 7 will be the right answer. Question number 19. Which of the following best describes a function? Option A, a block of code that performs a specific task. B, a loop structure. C, a conditional statement. D, a data type. Here option A, a block of code that performs a specific task is the right answer. Question number 20. How do you define a function with no parameters? Option A, def function name and square bracket they have given. B, def function name. C, function name. D, function name square brackets. Here the exact syntax for defining function with no parameter is option B. Def is a keyword, function underscore name is any valid function name, and round brackets colon is the right answer. Question number 21. What will be the output of the following code? Def divide a comma b, return a divided by b. So def is a keyword which is used to define a user defined function. Divide is the valid function name. A comma b, both of these two are parameters passed to the function, returning a integer division by b. So now we are calling this particular function definition in a print statement by passing the arguments 10 and 2. 10 is substituted in place of a, 2 is substituted in place of b. Here 10 divided by 2, that gives me 5. So actually it is returning value 10 divided by 2, that gives me 5.0. It takes the real number, hence option A is the right answer. Question number 22. What is a function call? Option A, declaring a function. B, executing a function. C, returning a value from a function. D, passing parameters to a function. Here, option B, executing a function is the right answer. Question number 23. Which of the following is an invalid function name in Python? Option A, my function. B, underscore function. C, function 1. D, 1 function. Here, option D, 1 function is invalid because it is not going to follow all the rules for declaring identifier name. So here, identifier name must begin with either alphabet or underscore. No keyword should be used as an identifier or function name, and no special characters are allowed. Here you can see my underscore function is valid, underscore function is also valid, and function 1 is also valid, but as it has begun with the number, hence it is invalid. Question number 24. What is the output of the following code? Python code. Def say hello, print hello world. Say hello. So here we have defined a function called say hello, and we are printing hello world, and this is a function call. So whenever we call this particular function, it is going to print hello world. Here you can observe option A, hello world is the right answer. Question number 25. What is the main purpose of the def keyword in Python? Option A, to define a variable. B, to define a function. C, to create a loop. D, to import a module. Here, option B, to define a function is the right answer. Question number 26. Which of the following functions is used to find the length of a list in Python? Option A, length. B, len. C, size. D, count. Here, option B, len is the right answer. Question number 27. What will be the output of the following code? Python code, def square of x. Here we are defining a user defined function called square, and here x is a parameter and it is returning x into x, and we are calling this particular function by passing argument 3 in a print statement. So it will become 3 into 3. 3 is a 9. So here option C, 9 will be the right answer. Question number 28. What is a parameter in the context of functions? Option A loop counter. B, a variable defined inside a loop. C, a value that a function returns. D, a variable used in function definition. Here, option D, a variable used in the function definition is the right answer. Question number 29. Which of the following is an example of a function with a return value? Option A, def greet print hello. B, def greet return hello. C, def greet pass. D, def greet break. Here, option B, returning hello. Hence, option B is the right answer. Question number 30. What will be the output of the following code? Python code, def concat str1 comma str2, and it is returning str1 plus str2. And here we are calling this particular function by passing these two string arguments in a print function. So it is going to perform concatenate operator. It is going to combine both of these two strings together, and it is going to print the result. Here options are A, hello. B, word. C, hello world. D, concat. Here option C, hello word will be the output. Question number 31. How do you pass multiple arguments to a function in Python? Option A, def function name argument 1 argument 2. B, def function name argument 1 comma argument 2. C, function name argument 1 semicolon argument 2. D, def function name in a square bracket argument 1 comma argument 2. Here option B is the right answer. Question number 32. What will be the output of the following code? Def power base comma exp. Here we have defined a user defined function called power, and we have passed two parameters, base and exponent. Here it is returning base and exponent power, and here we are calling this particular function under the print statement by passing 2 and 3 as arguments. So it is going to be 2 to the power 3, so that gives us 8. Hence option B, 8 will be the right answer. Question number 33. What is the main purpose of using functions in programming? Option A, to decrease execution time. B, to reduce the need for loops. C, to organize code and promote reusability. D, to complicate the program. Here option C, to organize the code and promote reusability is the correct answer. Question number 34. What will be the output of the following code? Python code. Here they have defined user defined function called add 5 and they have passed x as parameter, return x plus 5, and we are calling this particular function by passing 10 as argument in a print function. Here in place of x, 10 will be substituted. So 10 plus 5, it will become 15. So here option B, 15 will be the right answer. Question number 35. What is the keyword used to define a function in Python? Option A, function. B, define. C, def. D, func. Here option C, def is the right answer. Question number 36. What will be the output of the following code? Def greet. So here user defined function called greet without any arguments, returning hello, and we are calling this particular function under the print statement. Here option A, greet. B, hello. C, hello. D, none. Here option C, hello without any double quotation mark is the right answer. So whenever you write anything in a double quotation mark and whenever you are going to print without any double quotation mark, it will be printed. Hence option C is the right answer. Question number 37. How do you specify default values for parameters in a function? Option A, def function name param is equal to value. B, definition function name param double equal to value. Function name param is equal to value. Function name param double is equal to value. So here option A, def function name param is equal to value is the right answer. Question number 38. What is the output of the following code? Python code. Here we have defined user defined function called increment and we have passed n as parameter and it is incrementing its value by 1 and it is returning value n. And here we are calling this particular function by passing 7 as argument to the function under print statement. So 7 plus 1 it will become 8. Hence option C, 8 will be the right answer. Question number 39. Which statement is true regarding a function with multiple written statements? Option A, only the first written statement will be executed. B, all written statements will be executed. C, the function will return multiple values. D, only the last written statement will be executed. Here, option A, only the first written statement will be executed is the right answer. Question number 40. What will be the output of the following code? Python code, def double. Here it is a user defined function called double and we have passed x as parameter and it is returning x into 2. And here we are calling this particular function by passing 4 as argument which will be stored in the variable called result and we are printing the same. Here 4 is substituted in place of x. 4 into 2 will become 8. So 8 will be printed. Hence option D is the right answer. Question number 41. Which of the following is a correct way to document a function in Python? Option A, using comments. B, using triple quoted strings. C, using single quoted strings. D, using parentheses. Here option B, using triple quoted strings is the right answer. Question number 42. What will be the output of the following code? Python code. Here user defined function called subtract. A and B, both of these two are parameters and it is returning A minus B. And here we are calling this particular function by passing 15 and 5 as argument to the function under print statement. So 15 is substituted in place of A and 5 is substituted in place of B. Here 15 minus 5, it will become 10. Hence option A, 10 will be the right answer. Question number 43. What is the term used for a function defined inside another function? Option A, nested function. B, inner function. C, sub function. D, lambda function. Here, option A, nested function is the right answer. Question number 44. What will be the output of the following code? Python code. Here we have defined a user defined function called sum numbers. A and B, both of these two are parameters, and it is returning A plus B. Here we are calling the same function by passing 3 and 4 as argument to the function. It is going to perform addition of both of these two numbers. 3 plus 4, it will become 7. So 7 will be printed here. So hence option C, 7 will be the right answer. Question number 45. What is the output of the following code? Here we have defined a user defined function called identity by passing x as parameter, and it is returning the same value. Now we are calling this particular function by passing the argument Python. So it is going to return Python only. So hence option A is the right answer. Question number 46. How do you ensure a function has a variable number of arguments in Python? Option A, using an asterisk before the parameter name. B, using double asterisk before the parameter name. C, using an ampersand before the parameter name. D, using a hash before the parameter name. Here, A, using an asterisk before the parameter name is the right answer. Question number 47. What will be the output of the following code? Here we have defined a user defined function called repeat string. S and n, both of these two are parameters, and we are writing return s into n, and here we are making a function call by passing first argument as string and the second argument as number. So here it is going to repeat same high 3 times. So hence option B, high high high, is the right answer. Question number 48. Which of the following is not a valid Python function? Option A, def my underscore function. B, def my hyphen function. C, def my underscore function 1. D, def underscore my function. Here option B is invalid, or it is not valid a Python function name. Why? Because here hyphen is used, only underscore is allowed. Except underscore, no other special characters are allowed for writing function name. Question number 49. What is the primary purpose of a lambda function in Python? Option A, to create a complex function. B, to define a function with a long body. C, to create small anonymous functions. D, to define a class method. Here option C, to create small anonymous function, is the right answer. Question number 50. What will be the output of the following code? Python code. Here we have defined a user defined function called add, and here we have written a comma b is equal to 5. So here it is called default argument, which is already initialized with value 5, and it is returning a plus b, and we are calling this particular function by passing argument 3 under print statement. Here in place of a, this 3 will be substituted. So 3 plus 5, it will become 8. Hence option C, 8 will be the right answer. I hope you understood all of these questions with their answers, and if you want to practice all of these questions, then link is given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.